Who wants what? Yeah, it's... yeah. Santa said, Papa Elf has some awesome Christmas 2019 gift ideas. That's right. So I'm going to put this together and do it as a series and have a playlist for some ideas. We got to get these things out there. I'm going to pump them out as fast as I can, I guess. And they'll hopefully be short and sweet. Each one, I might say one item or two, whatever. We need to get through this. All right? Pay attention. What am I doing? Hit that bell! Because it likes to come back and hit me. Yeah. Alright. Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas, people! I'm Papa Elf. Gonna show you those Christmas 2019 gift ideas. Yeah. If they don't pass the Papa Texas test, I ain't showing them. Take that in consideration. All right. We'll see you on the tubes. It's Papa Elf. See ya.